Welcome to Technology and Inspiration YouTube channel. Before going to the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon. Today we are going to see how to protect live vaccines inspired from nature. The water bear, a tiny tardigrade, has inspired a couple of products that greatly reduce the need for refrigeration. Candy-coated vaccines. San Diego-based Biomatrica is developing a process used by tardigrades, also called water bears, which are microscopic eight-legged animals that live in the water, to protect live vaccines. Tardigrades can dry out for up to an amazing 120 years using a process called anhydrobiosis. This protects the tiny animal's DNA, RNA and proteins until water revives them. They release trehalose, a simple sugar molecule, which replaces the water as it leaves the tardigrades. The cell membrane releases the water and instead binds to the sugar. This allows the proteins to stay in the same place and configuration as they were when fully hydrated. When water is reintroduced, water molecules replace the trehalose. Conservation magazine recently published a story about one of these companies, Biomatrica. Biomatrica has developed ways to store biological samples like tissues, DNA, and cells, using lessons learned from organisms like the water bear and brine shrimp, both of which can survive dehydration. Not only does this technology save labs money, it also protects scientists' valuable research from being lost due to power outages. Vaccines typically require refrigeration during shipping and treatment. Biomatrica's technology would allow live vaccines to no longer need to be refrigerated, just add water. Another company out of England, Nova Laboratories, has developed a similar product. Another company that mimicked the water bears and other extremophile survival strategies is StableTech. This company focuses on stabilizing vaccines and pharmaceuticals, solving the problem of needing to maintain the cold chain. That is, rather than keeping these materials refrigerated from manufacture to delivery, they are stored dry. Vaccines can be delivered into parts of countries with no electricity and remain viable. Often biomimicry is about mimicking form. However, this biomimicry is deeper. It's about mimicking process. It's also about saving energy and providing social benefits, which gets at the true definition of biomimicry. Nature, it seems, has an unlimited imagination. Human beings, on the other hand, are increasingly turning to nature for a little help. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon. We will meet again in next video. Bye bye.